What is botany? The answer is the study of plants and trees is called botany. Who is the father of botany? The answer is Theophrastus is the father of botany. What is plant classification? The answer is plant taxonomy or classification is the science of naming organisms and placing them in a hierarchical structure. Its level is given a name. Example: kingdom, division, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. How many parts are classified in the plant kingdom? The answer is 2 parts. These are Cryptogram and Phanerogram. What is cryptogram? The answer is a cryptogram is a plant or a plant-like organism that reproduces by spores without flowers or seeds. How many groups are classified in cryptogram plants? The answer is 3 groups. These are Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. What is Thallophyta? The answer is Thallophyta is a division of the plant kingdom including primitive forms of plant life showing a simple plant body, including unicellular to large algae and fungi. What is an algae? The answer is algae is a very simple plant that grows mainly in water. What is phycology? The answer is the study of algae is called phycology. What is space algae? The answer is the experiment will cultivate microscopic algae called chlorella, which is space algae. Why chlorella is known as space algae? The answer is it is known as the space algae because it serves as a good source of food for humans in space as it contains a high level of iron, vitamins and amino acids. What is green algae? The answer is these are photosynthetic algae that contain chlorophyll and store starch in discrete chloroplasts. What is the scientific name of green algae? The answer is Chlorophyta. What is blue-green algae? These are not algae at all but types of bacteria called cyanobacteria. They are normally present in bodies of water. What is the scientific name of blue-green algae? The answer is cyanobacteria. What is a fungi? The answer is fungi is a plant that is not green and does not have leaves or flowers, or that is like a wet powder and grows on old wood. What is mycology? The answer is the study of fungi is called mycology. What is fungal infection? The answer is it is also called mycosis, is a skin disease caused by a fungus. There are. What is Rhizopus? The answer is it is a genus of common saprophytic fungi on plants and specialized parasites on animals. What is lichen? The answer is it is a complex life form that is a symbiotic partnership of two separate organisms, a fungus and an alga. What is the relationship between algae and fungi in lichen? The answer is the relationship between the algae and fungi in a lichen is a symbiotic relationship. The fungi support the algae by providing protection and assisting in the absorption of water, and algae provide food to fungi that lack chlorophyll pigments. What is Bryophyta? The answer is these are regarded as transitional between aquatic plants like algae and higher land plants like trees. They are extremely dependent upon water for their survival and reproduction. What is Pteridophyta? The answer is Pteridophyta is a vascular plant with xylem and phloem that disperse spores. What is xylem? The answer is the xylem is the material in plant that distributes the water and dissolved mineral upward through the plant from the roots to the leaves. What is phloem? The answer is the phloem is the material in plant that carries food downward from the leaves to the roots. What is Phanerogram? The answer is these are plants that have special structure for reproduction and generating seeds. How many groups are classified in Phanerograms plants? These are two groups. These are Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. What is Gymnosperm? The answer is Gymnosperm is a plant of a group that comprises those that have seeds unprotected by an ovary or fruit. What is Angiosperm? The answer is Angiosperms are plants that produce flowers and bear their seeds in fruits. How many subgroups are classified in Angiosperm plants? Two subgroups. These are Monocotyledon and Dicotyledon. What is Monocotyledon? The answer is Monocotyledon is a flowering plant with an embryo that bears a single cotyledon, that is seed leaf. What is Dicotyledon? The answer is Dicotyledon is a flowering plant with an embryo that bears two cotyledon. What is the longest plant in the plant kingdom? The answer is Sequoia gignitia. What is the smallest plant in the plant kingdom? The answer is Xylem pygmea. What is the largest plant of the plant kingdom? The answer is ovule and anthracite of cycos.